Hi, this is Jay Jenkins with Pearson Education. In this video, I'm going to show you how a student can register for a Pearson Etext course. So if an instructor has sent a student the invite link or the registration instructions that are available inside of the Etext course, they will get a link. That link will send them to this launch page for their course. Once here, they can redeem an access code if they already have one purchased from the bookstore, or they can buy access directly online. I'm going to redeem a code. They'll be asked to sign in. If they don't have a Pearson account already, they can then create one, and then once they've created one, they'll have the ability to post their code. And then once here, it will give them the information to for subscription. And then you have the ability, if you would like a physical print version, you can purchase our loose leaf version of our Pearson Etext right now. So you can view the offer. For $25, you can get a print text sent to you. However, if you do not want the print text, you can skip this, or you can come back to it later and purchase it again later. I will select your role. I am a student and continue. And then I now have access to my Pearson Etext. I hope this is helpful, and I hope you have a great day.